This is my crab cake / crab burger recipe. Check it out.
Let's prep the veg. 1 green pepper, finely chopped. 3 spring onions, again finely chopped. Handful of parsley, you guessed it, finely chopped. 1 lemon rolled out and cut in half. Into a big bowl, crab, 700 grams. Squeeze a fresh lemon. Finely chopped veg goes in. Dijon mustard, tablespoon. Worcestershire sauce, teaspoon. Tablespoon of pickled relish. Garlic, tablespoon. 2 eggs, cracked with one hand, and one hand only. Seasonings, paprika. Fresh ground black pepper. A shit ton of salt. Panko breadcrumbs, 6 handfuls. Mix until it all comes together. Press the mixture into your mold. Oil, sunflower. Pan on a medium heat. Between 3 and 5 minutes each side. Crispen up the edges too. Plating. Stack your crab cakes. Add lemon. Top with pea shoots, homemade sweet chili jam, and fresh salad cress. Result: deliciousness. Burger time. Toast your brioche buns. Add spicy mayo, then add your crab cake. Top with homemade sweet chili jam and pea shoots. Add a lemon wedge and enjoy.